My name is Giselle.
My name is Patrick.
Hi, my name is Mark.
My name is Jocelyn Gutierrez, and we will be talking about how you can graph things by using motion detector and different objects. When Giselle was jumping, a sine transformed graph was formed. While Giselle was running, a sine transformed graph was also formed.
This was consistent with Jocelyn skipping, as a sine graph was also formed.
For the blue volleyball, a piecewise function was formed. It consisted of a tangent graph and a sine graph. When the bouncy ball was formed, it was formed by its velocity of jumping and formed a tangent graph.
When the soccer ball graph was formed, it was also a piecewise function graph, and it consisted of tangent graphs, cosine, and sine graphs.
When a red soccer ball was formed, a similar graph was formed, except it was much wider and had more spaces in between because of the velocity it had.
In the graph of Mark running, a cosine graph was formed. The result was different because he began closer to the motion detector compared to the others. The pink basketball formed a tangent line graph because of its fast velocity. It also is a lot steeper than the other ones because it moves very fast.
The basketball that was at distance 3 was very consistent and formed a piecewise function graph.
The bouncy ball at distance 4 was measured not from velocity, but from a distance from the motion detector, causing a different graph to form.
And last but not least, the basketball at distance 1 was steeper at first because it had to stop, but as it began to continue, the graph became a lot wider because there was no much velocity anymore. Yay! That was perfect! The graph was just done. Try again.